Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Google Pixel tab, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's find the camera app and let's open it. Okay, and here whenever we are in the camera mode, we have to enter the settings, which are probably right here in the left upper corner. And as you can see, after tapping on this icon, we will have this kind of pop-out window with the timer option. We've got 3 different options from which we can choose, so the timer is currently off, but you can set 3 or 10 seconds delay. So let me pick 10 seconds delay. As you can see, it is immediately applied. It is highlighted in this kind of bluish grayish color. So we can go back to the camera and tap on the shutter button. As you can see, we've got it notified also on the shutter button, so you don't have to worry and think whether you've got the timer set or not. You can see it right here. So after tapping, your device will count down from 10 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. Alright, so this is how it works. Of course, as I said, you can set 3 seconds delay, or you can set off, which is this crossed out icon, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Maybe not right after, because as you can see we have to wait a little bit, but that's okay. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.